When I was younger, I started to struggle with spelling, then with math, then physics, then chemistry. Now I'm 37 and I'm pretty sure I am dyslexic and potentially ADD. I can only wish I knew this before so I could get proper help. I spent years internalizing criticism about myself, taking too much time with a math problem, or getting things wrong. I have no official diagnosis yet, and I don't have the time or money to focus on that to empower the kid that struggled through high school with all of that nonsense. But now I can put that on the right place where it belongs, and on the other hand of that, I could hyper focus on things like this or this or this. The point that I'm trying to make here is that if this is happening to you, there's probably nothing wrong with you. You just process information differently. So take it easy on yourself. Okay? Okay. Oh, take care now. Bye bye then.